Hi guys, welcome to another Seb Sesh. I'm Seb, head bartender and mixologist at Gin Tonic, and I'm here today to present to you an alternative serve on our rhubarb and organic honey gin. This alternative serve is gonna go with lemonade. So if you don't like the harsh bitterness of the tonic, this would be perfect for you. I'm just gonna start off by pre-chilling the glass. That's nice and cold. Now we're ready to add the spirit. We're gonna go for 50 ml of ruby rhubarb and honey gin. Next, we ice that up all the way to the top. And we're gonna complement that with lemonade. Gonna give that just an extra stir to blend all the flavors together. And to finish it off, we're gonna go for fresh strawberries and a lovely mint spring for the aromatics. Just give that a gentle slap, just to bring it back to life. Enhance all the aromas there. So built to impress the eye. Look at that lovely color. Built to impress the nose with the mint spring. There we have it. Rhubarb and honey gin, alternative serve with lemonade, strawberries and fresh mint. Enjoy, cheers.